Welcome. Today we are going to be talking about relationships with the two people who are least qualified to talk about relationships.
Hey, why?
Okay.
Hello, what is this?
Hey.
I meant me and my
Excuse me.
alternate personalities. You guys are obviously qualified. What? Okay, Sarvagya has already sent a super chat. Since we're talking of relationships, why is it most of the times that medicos don't date non-medicos? And maybe don't marry them. I mean, in majority of cases.
Why is it?
इसको कहते हैं availability problem. तुम लोग medical students don't generally go out of medical colleges. वो लोग NEET देते हैं, NEET रहते हैं, entrance exams देते हैं, NEET पीते हैं.
यार I don't feel arranged marriage as a concept is a problem. तो क्या ना singles भी like सह लेंगे थोड़ा. वो perspective ये हो जाता है ना कि तुम इतना अकेला रह चुके, इतना तन्हा रह चुके अपने life के अंदर कि out of the desperation of need of having a partner you are like चल जाएगा यार कुछ भी मिल जाए. So starting के अंदर you still have pointers, you have a checklist. Then with the months that pass on you like हाँ एक दो पे compromise हो गया तो चल जाएगा. फिर एक साल बाद you are like ठीक है एक दो चीज भी रह गई तो चल जाएगा.
Like Palladium से Phoenix Mall से IKEA वैसे.
हाँ and then you're at Linking Road. And then you're at Linking Road.
This idea कि singles are suffering. I'm not sure that's like universally true.
That I agree. Singles are not always sad, but I think this is about those singles who are sad.
All right, then let's go on to the next meme. Relationship status nowadays. This is
Oh my goodness!
I think the only issue is के how dedicated is Rahul to PUBG right now.
अरे but the point is वो प्यार दे रहा है ना, वो comfort दे रहा है, and he just like doesn't want to leave the gaming.
correct.
Let's not say just PUBG. आप कुछ भी उधर डाल दो. Like gaming के बदले आप career डाल दो. Anything that you are more obsessed with.
Right. So
in
that
general.
PUBG is a placeholder. It's a metaphor. Think
The
about
meme
PUBG.
says that अंजलि तू सही है, तू अच्छी है यार, तू बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं तेरे साथ मेरे साथ लाइफ में, लेकिन PUBG इस पहला प्यार है यार, तो PUBG को कैसे छोड़ सकता हूँ मैं?
I mean, you are dinner. You are just not chicken dinner. All singles are in a battleground playing in a survival game. Bhai, Tejvis. Do you think that's what singlehood is? Like, 100 guys drop off into an island and एक जन बचता है.
My love life be like something that
Shit,
ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ. ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਲੀਫਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ.
और अगर इंटरनेट डाउन भी है तो आप क्रोम पे नहीं हो, एटलीस्ट वो डायनासोर गेम तो खेल पाओगे.
love how you introduce casual dating there.
But the problem is even when you tap to retry, वो यही frame वापस दिखाता है.
But that tap to retry is a scam.
Yeah.
The actual problem is that तुम्हारा वाईफाई कनेक्टेड ही नहीं है. Are you just saying off करके on करो? See, relationships are like jeans, okay? Like when you go to a store to try it out, the one that you're wearing is the most comfortable one. All the new ones are not comfortable. It
This
takes
stream
time.
is not helping me.
It takes time.
Most comfort is pajama. Like I think most relationships need to feel like pajamas.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You mean something you wear only at night? What are you saying, Yaya? Like,
I'm talking about the comfort level. You like
Amrita is saying मेरे jeans फटे हुए हैं.
अरे Amrita is here. But does that make it more comfortable?
like हवा आती है.
That's where no, sorry.
On that note, you go on to the next.
On
meme.
that note, everything is temporary. But क्या हुआ का reply कुछ नहीं is permanent.
Like in real life, real time, how are you using the WhatsApp feature on me? How are you deleting
I mean, the only thing worse is sorry you're not audible.
What?
ये बहुत बार हुआ है कि नहीं बहुत बार नहीं हुआ है. Wait, I'll be back.
चप्पल बस रेडी हुई नहीं है क्या? बहुत बार क्या हुआ है?
Moving on to the next meme.
Please be as weird as me. Please be as weird as me. Please.
Why?
Oh, please don't be as weird as me. The world does not need another me. GF, I cheated. Boyfriend. So, what do you expect? I love you. I was also cheating on you for the last 2 years. GF, I was talking about exam. Guys, please don't cheat during exams.
और
पढ़ाई करो guys.
बाकी तो चलता रहता है.
Moving on.
this is one of those first night jokes,
What is the
Okay,
first
fine.
night joke?
रुको जरा.
because इतना सज सवर कर तैयार होते हैं.
Okay.
So पूरी रात actually
पूरी रात पिन निकालने में जाती है.
Moving on. My girlfriend wanted a cat. I didn't want a cat. So we compromised and got a cat.
No, there's a reason a guy agrees to the girl. Let's admit that.
It's called
Is it-
sex. The reason's called sex.
Cat.
हाँ मतलब मैं नहीं बोल रही थी वो word.
Amrita saying the boys compromise is getting the cat, the girls compromise is dating the guy.
True.
Wow.
Somebody said Schrodinger's cat.
जब मैं वही कहना था 2 बिल्लियां हैं. Let's see which one survives.
Either there are 2 cats or there is no cat.
There is no cat.
No, when you're not in a relationship but you're having relationship problems.
I feel this is like Yaya ka lifetime story. He's not in a relationship, but he always has a relationship problem.
I mean, all his poems make it look like he's having a relationship problem.
I'd
And I've
just
never
like to
actually
say,
seen him in a relationship.
I have relationship solutions, guys.
I love you enough to make our iPhone-Samsung relationship work.
The problem here is that you've already put yourself on the superior spot.
I think it's more of saying about how we are so different, but I love you so much that I'm able to look
Even though
through
none
the
of-
differences.
Even though none of your chargers fit into any of my sockets, I will
That
still
wouldn't
love
work, Sid. That'll be a problem in the relationship.
you. What I meant is that we both have wireless charging. Guys, get your...
समझ रहे हो आप समझ रहे हो
Satisfied married men talking to single people like
Moving on.
fucking wireless. Listening to wife is like reading the terms and conditions. In the end, because all you're thinking is like, જોઈએ.
Click. Install कर दे.
करना है यार जल्दी यार जाना है यार.
Game शुरू करना है. Are you involved in
हाँ,
any
बस.
dangerous sports? Well, sometimes I disagree with. Okay, ये बहुत ज्यादा common trope है. ठीक है कि वाइफ के साथ एग्री नहीं किया तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है.
Correct, yeah.
It's absolutely true. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम बार-बार मजाक उड़ाओ. Dating in 20 what? Okay, who is old enough to remember this?
एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का से दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए